What did I miss? I'm gonna hold my thoughts here just for a minute, guys. Drop down below. Let me know, what did the video lack? What did I miss? I'll wait. It's just so nothing happens. There's nothing to it. Before I completely rip into myself, this did meet the brief. The client was just after 4 to 5 standalone shots, stock shots of the reef. There was no edit required. This was an afterthought. Lost potential. So there's no personality here. What you saw, we didn't meet anyone. We didn't get taken on any journey, any adventure. There was no emotion. It was just a bunch of good looking shots cropped together with a song, which I'm not gonna comment on for the moment. There's no intro, there's no middle, there's no ending. There's just no feeling. There is no emotion. We don't have a character. And as a result, there's nothing for us to connect to, nothing for us to attach to, nothing for us to care about. And this is such an easy problem to fix. All we need is literally 2 or 3 seconds of the character getting on the boat or gearing up, or maybe having a laugh with someone else, another scuba diver before they jump in. Something to add some sense of emotion or feeling to it. And we need to end on this as well. Something to show that we had a good day out, not just a wet one. And why not add a title or a location marker? Something that shows the viewer where we are in the world. Let this be a lesson. Personality and emotion is way more important than cinematics. We can't just have a good looking film. That's it from me. Stick around. There is plenty of dope cinematic emotion-filled films coming soon.